Hello, little friends. Welcome to the Bhasha Bridge, where we make India's languages super easy and super fun. I started making these videos for my own son who found Kannada really hard. So, if letters ever feel tricky for you too, don't worry. We'll learn them together, one tiny step at a time. Ready? Let's go. So, what will we learn today? We'll learn all the Kannada vowels. We call them swara. We'll meet each letter, hear its sound, and match it to a funny picture, like A for Aane, the elephant. And by the end, you'll be able to say them all by yourself. How exciting! Here's how you become a Kannada star on Yuptira in 3 easy steps. Step 1, watch this video. Step 2, open the Kannada pronunciation page and tap the little speaker on each letter so you hear it in real Kannada. Practice until it's perfect. Step 3, take the fun quiz to test yourself and climb the leaderboard. Watch, practice, and play. That's all. One quick thing, what is a vowel? In Kannada, a vowel is called a swara. It's a sound you can sing all by itself, like a, e. Every Kannada word grows from these little sounds. Now let's meet all 13 vowels plus 2 special sounds at the end, one by one. Say hello to the very first Kannada vowel and the easiest one of all. Open your mouth just a little and say like the U in cup. Say it with me. Uh, uh, uh. And gives us the word akka, which means your elder sister, the akka who finishes all your snacks. For akka. Now stretch it long. Open wide like the doctor is checking your throat and say like the A in father. Say it with me. Ah, ah, ah. Gives us Aane, a big heavy elephant. Can you stomp like an Aane? For Aane. Here's a tiny one. I. Give a little smile and say I, like the I in sit. I. Say it with me. I, I, I. I gives us Ili, a cheeky little rat going squeak squeak. E for Ili. Stretch that smile really wide. E. Say E like the E in sea. E. Say it with me. E. 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 E gives us Eju, which means swimming. Splish, splash, jump in the water. E for Eju. Round your lips a little. Oo. Say oo like the oo in put. Oo. Say it with me. Oo, oo, oo. Oo gives us udupu, which means clothes. Your favorite shirt and pants. Get dressed quick. Oo for udupu. Now make your lips round and long. Oo. Say oo like the oo in food. Oo. Say it with me. Oo, oo, oo. Oo gives us uta, a yummy hot meal. Rice and sambar. Slurp. Are you hungry now? Oo for uta. Here's a special one. R. In Kannada, it sounds like ru, like the ru in rude. R. Say it with me. R, r, r. R gives us rishi, a calm, wise sage sitting quietly and thinking big thoughts. Om. R for rishi. A short, happy sound. Eh. Say like the E in bed. Eh. Say it with me. Eh, eh, eh. Eh gives us yele, a fresh green leaf floating down from a tree. Whoosh. Eh for yele. Now make it longer. Ye. Say A like the A in day. Ye. Say it with me. A, A, A. A gives us Yeni, a tall ladder. Climb up step by step all the way to the top. A for Yeni. This one sounds just like your I. I. Say it. I. Say it with me. I, I, I. I gives us aidu, which means 5. Hold up your hand and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, aidu. I for aidu. Round lips again, but nice and short. O, say O like the O in hot. O, say it with me. O, O, O. O gives us Vante, a bumpy camel walking across the hot desert. Bump, bump, bump. O for Vante. Now stretch it out. O. Say O like the O in go. O. Say it with me. O, O, O. O gives us Odu, which means run. Ready, set, Odu. Run, run, run. O for Odu. Our last big vowel sound, ow. Say ow like the ow in owl. Ow. Say it with me. Ow, ow, ow. Ow gives us aushadha, which means medicine, the syrup that makes you feel all better. Au for aushadha. Now two special helpers. First, make your nose go bzzz like a sleepy little bee. That's the sound, like in sing. Say it with me. Uh, uh, uh. Gives us anka, which means a number. 1, 2, 3. For anka. And last, add a soft little breath at the very end. A gentle ah. Ah. Say it with me. Ah. 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 We hear it in dukkha, which means sadness. But don't be sad because you just learnt every single vowel. Ah in dukkha. Woohoo! Look at you go! You just learned all 13 Kannada vowels plus two special sounds a, e, u, r, I, o, a, and a. Say them once more with me, nice and proud. Now give yourself a great big clap. Now it's your turn. Go to Yuktira, practice on the pronunciation page, and take the Kannada vowels quiz. And here's something special. Top the leaderboard on 5 topics in a row, and you'll get a surprise gift from me, plus a personal one-on-one connect. One last thing before you go. If this helped you even a little, please subscribe to the Bhasha Bridge. We're bridging India's languages one fun video at a time. I make these for my son and for every child who finds languages hard. Yes, that means you. I'm so proud of you. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.